In this video, I will show you exactly how to preview your form designs on simulated desktop screens within the Typeform platform. To get started, you first need to log into your account and select the specific form you want to review. Once you have opened the project, take a moment to ensure that you are on the Create tab. You can find this highlighted in the main menu panel along the top header bar, which is necessary to load your full form builder interface. After you have confirmed you are in the correct workspace, look over to the upper right corner of the designer canvas. Right next to the black Publish button, you will see the Preview button, which is represented by a small eye icon. Go ahead and click that icon now. This action will immediately open a modal window that displays a live, simulated render of your questionnaire exactly as it appears to your users. Within this preview workspace, you will notice a device toggle orientation utility situated at the top center of the screen. This helpful tool allows you to switch between different screen sizes to see how your design responds to various hardware. To see the full computer version, simply click on the desktop icon to enforce the simulated desktop viewing profile. This will let you check your layout, spacing, and image alignment on a larger scale. It is a vital step to ensure your form looks professional and remains easy to navigate for anyone using a traditional computer. By using this built-in simulator regularly during your design process, you can catch any visual errors or awkward formatting before you finally hit publish for your audience to see. Taking these few extra seconds to verify the desktop layout ensures a high-quality user experience for your respondents. Now you can confidently build forms that look great on any screen size by following these simple navigation steps in the